Hello, around Alabama. Good morning time around Alabama. BB in Maine paying attention. Break.
Hey, right on, BB in Maine. Hey, BB in Maine, you doing your thing, man. You got a ball around the big brown. Hello, BB in Maine.
Oh, 10. Well, your mobile's working, man. Your mobile's working coming out of the BAM. Appreciate the contact. BB up in the state of Maine. Real northeast corner paying attention. Have a great day. I'll see you.
In Mississippi. I can't say Mississippi. Mississippi. Come on. Oh, baby. Baby around the state of Maine. Oh, man. 76 Alabama gone.
Old man 76. I was listening to somebody down there until you keyed the hammer down. Hello, old man 76. BB and Maine. Right back. What you think, Breaker?
Hey, BB, sound real good. No doubt about that. Hey, good morning, time. Hope you're doing real good. BB around the coast of Maine. Oh, man. 76 Alabama. I see ya.
Got it all. All right, old man 76. Have a great day. Appreciate you checking in, man. I'm just sitting back listening to my radio, see what's going up on the band. Old man 76. Have a great day. BB up north. Pull him back. Bye.
Bye, BB. BB, have a good one. I see ya.
Jawbreaker.
Oh, BB around Maine 50 in the Mobile around the Big Bell. Good morning time, BB. A BB 50 Mobile around the Big Bell. Standing by.
Got you right there. 50. 50 Mobile in the Big Bam. Good morning time. 50 in the Bam in the Mobile. BB right back. Breaker.
Hey, BB, play smoke on the car. Good morning. Get back on, BB. Don't get back on, BB. Black smoke in Florida.
Oh, 10, I heard you in there, Whip. I heard you in there. I heard black smoke, too, man. I had to wait for the smoke to clear, man. Y'all keyed up at the same time. Hello, Whip in the Bayou and black smoke. I got both of you guys up in Maine. Good morning time. Break.
You're right on, BB. Tell my thing and Whip out in the Bayou country. The hard point of black smoke. Shit that morning on that deputy in. BB around the state of Maine. But the hard point of black smoke. Walking the back street of Florida. Got down and gone.
All right, black smoke. You want to wave a hand over to Whip, man? I got to leave them all up on the mall. Hey, Black Smoke, you got it going on. No two ways about that, man. Appreciate you checking in. I hope you enjoy your radio today. Hey, Black Smoke, I rolled that 5 for you, BB, way up in the north here. Pull them back. Bye.
I appreciate you falling down, man. Tell my big friend out there around the duck the deal with us this morning. Hello, BB. Lowrider, standing by. $10
I'll leave them all on the mall there, Lowrider. I'm going to leave 3-4 of them up on the mall. Hello, Lowrider. Looking good, sounding good. BB, right back. What you think? Break.
Go, Rob. Yeah, BB, well, that's what you doing, baby. Hey, BB, you leave stand by.
All right, Lowrider around St. Charles. I appreciate it, man. Yeah, you're doing the same thing back this way, man. Got a whole bunch of them in the background, but you're putting them in the back seat, no doubt about it, Lowrider. Have a great day. Appreciate you checking in. We're just sitting back to see what Mother Nature's doing. Lowrider, Big Hammer in Maine. Bye.
Yeah, word, BB. Bye, BB. Tell Lowrider, that's all she wrote right there. That's all she wrote for Lowrider right there, BB. Good morning to you once again. Black Smoke, back on the way.
Black Smoke, that's what you said. That's all she wrote. Hey, Black Smoke, you said that's all she wrote. That's all I heard on my radio. Break.
You're right on, BB. Tell me Lowrider. I say good morning. Tell me in here. Tell me worldwide.
right, real good job. You're waving a hand. A little rider there, Black Smoke. You're saying good morning time to him. Keeping that 5 alive, Black Smoke. You got it going on, no doubt about it. Low rider, Black Smoke. 73s, BB, paying attention up in the corner here. Bye.
Roy, right on, BB. Okie-dokie, mighty fine, man. I'm going to ease up out here, man. Go ahead and get me a cup of coffee on this guy. Make it in with no sugar, no doubt. On down on you later. BB in the corner, Mr. Black Smoke. Sandy Shows got down. I'll see you. Bye.
Oh, 10, Black Smoke. You're locking it up, man. Hey, Black Smoke, you're locking it up. Your radio's working this morning. Bye. Click.
Bishop better. Oh, we way long, Lily.
Hello, Bishop 31. I hear you out there too, man. Good morning time. Good morning time to you, Bishop 31. BB hears you in his radio. Bye.
Go, man, and Dixie go. Well, look like the whole sand pile waking up this morning. Look like the whole dumb fucking Sandy Show waking up this morning. Let me get mine in where I fit in before I get out of this mess. Mr. Worldwide Black Smoke controls the Gulf Coast Florida. Got down and go.
410, Black Smoke, you woke them all up, man. Hey, Black Smoke, you woke them all up, man. They heard Black Smoke, and then they all had the key. Bye.
Because I am the most interested man in Florida. I am the most interested man on the sand pile. BB and state of BB up north, Mr. Worldwide Black Smoke in the southwest corner, controlling these waters.
410, Black Smoke, you said you are the most interesting man in Florida. You're the most interesting man in Florida. That's what I heard in my radio, Black Smoke. Break.
Hey, Buzz, how you sit there? Yeah, don't got me to take this junk on, back up down on the Super Bowl. Take a little big station back down on the Super Bowl. BB, 7-6, Alabama, gone.
All right, 7-6. Take it easy over there in Alabama, man. Good to hear you up in there, 7-6, rolling out of Alabama. Got a lot of stations down there in Florida keying up, man, but I heard your radio. BB up in the real northeast corner. Bye.
BB. Bad. 140, big man, read the mail.
Taking a unmarked car, and that can't be.
Hello, 25 in the water. What's going on, big bro? Hey, 25 in the blue water. What's going on this morning, Mr. Worldwide Black Smoke on the Gulf Coast of Florida. I'm trolling in these waters. And you got that?
You're jamming my radio. I got to jam yours, Black Smoke. You're jamming my radio, so I got to be jamming yours. Bye.
BB, hey, hold on for a minute. Hey, BB, you keyed up, and you didn't say nothing for like maybe 2 seconds. I thought you was a local. You slammed that damn needle tap in the damn corner, and it's cold there, break.
410, just Mother Nature, man. I know you're clogging my radio up, so we must be linked right up, man. That's what's going down in the world of sound. Black Smoke, let me get out of your ear hole. You got Mother Nature in Maine. Bye.
You making a statement. You making a fucking statement. You gonna make the sand pile wake up mad as hell. I am the most interested man in Florida, 2023, like Kevin in here. Hey, BB. Oh, Ghost Rider built me a dumb fucking bunk during the pandemic. I call it a pandemic built Ghost Rider, break.
Oh, 10 on the pandemic Ghost Rider. Well, it's working, man. I'm just talking to my radio. I hear a bunch of them in the background singing, but you got the hammer right now, man. That's just the way it is sometimes. Hey, Black Smoke, let me peel on back. I'm going to listen to your talk show. Bye.
Hey, BB around, man. Kiddo Big Johnson up here in the touchdown. He's saying, pal, say good morning. Good morning, BB. Good morning, BB up around Maine. Old Big Johnson up here in the touchdown. He's showing the Florida with the good morning. Good morning, BB in Maine. Old Big Johnson touchdown. He's saying, Bill with the good morning, BB. Big Johnson, babe.
Hey, Big Johnson, I got you up in there, too, and Black Smoke ain't up on the mall. He's being kind right now. Well, Black Smoke's being kind right now. Hello, Big Johnson, I got you in Maine. BB, right back. Have a great day.
Man, 7-6.
Hey, son, a real choice up here in the touchdown. He's saying, Pitt, BB. Big Johnson got down.
All right, Big Johnson. Appreciate the contact, man. Good to hear you out there. Hope you enjoy your radio today. Big Johnson, BB up north, the real northeast corner. I'll see ya.
East corner. I show you when you got up and when you got down. No doubt. On this BB. East corner. Big Johnson, tough side. This BB's going on.
BB Gangster Breaker.
BB.
I hear a couple guys yelling. The audio's kind of low. But I do hear you guys, 190 or something, and another gentleman out there. I hear you guys out there, man. But, man, they're out there with the fly swatters today. Good morning, BB in Maine. Paying attention. Break.
Gang.
I hear a couple of you guys down there in the sand pile. You're all making a mess of each other, man. You're all keen on each other, man. Big train wreck. Let me pull it back and try to clear it up. I'm reading the mail.
Touchdown this pitch that I gave my inside, and then I bumped down BB and Maine. Big Johnson, touchdown this pitch is good job.
410, Big Johnson. You cleared it up because your audio's louder than theirs. Hey, Big Johnson, you give me the same signal as all of them, but your audio came up over the top of them. Big Johnson, I hear your radio. Break.
Hey, BB. How about it, BB? SwitchBlade calling, brother. BB in Maine.
I leave them all in the mall. I gotta leave all of them. There's about a dozen of them down there in Florida jumping around like Mexican jumping beans. Hello, my friend. Switchblade, BB, right back. Break.
Hey, good morning, BB. While you waiting in SwitchBlade. Hey, BB, I slow key, but I damn show key, because I know somebody gonna try to get on me. Take care, BB. Switchblade, waving at you, brother.
410, you got a stick on the road. You got Mother Nature, man. Hey, Switchblade, you got Mother Nature this morning. No two ways about it. Good to hear you up on the band. Hope everything's going good for you. You got 40 dB up in the real northeast corner. Break.
Good morning. Hey, BB, state of Maine, Hey, BB, I slow key, but I damn sure keyed again. Because I know somebody trying to take me out your radio and never kept me his show. Take care, BB, state of Maine, Switchblade, getting down.
410 Switchblade, I like how you slow keying today, man. Hey, Switchblade, I like how you're in slow key mode today. You said you slow key because you know damn sure there's other people trying to key up. Switchblade with a slow key. What you think? Break.
Hey, good morning, BB. Hey, BB, on the north. Roger. Take care, BB around the state of Maine. I just want to say, hey, I'm not going to stick in state. Tell the rest of the guys they have a good day. BB, state of Maine, Switchblade, getting down.
410. Yeah, too early for that, man. You're not going to stick and stay. You said you just want to say, hey, good morning time to all of them from Switchblade. Too early in the morning for that, no doubt about it. Pleasure with a double measure Switchblade. Have yourself a great day. You know it is up in this real northeast corner. Reading the mail. Have a good day. I'll see you.
And your cousin still waiting on a piece of pizza. Your brother still waiting on some pizza. Call you later. BB, Switchblade, blackout.
10 waiting on the pizza. Hopefully he's not eating ramen noodles today. That's my father, man. Hey, Switchblade, don't get it twisted. That's my father. Bye.
Well, quit doing that.
Good morning. All right, BB, I'm going to stand back. I said, no other people want to talk to the world's greatest BB. I know for Cat Biggest Show that other people want to speak to the world's most famous BB. Call you later. BB, Uncle Switchblade, getting out.
Uncle Switchblade. Yeah, they do want to talk. There's a bunch of them in there jumping up and down, but you're in slow key mode, man. You're in slow key mode. All right, Switchblade, have a great day. You know it is. Pulling back into these pine trees, paying attention. I'll see you. Bye. Click!
Good morning, BB.
Yeah, but you don't want to turn that conversation going to the skin, man. Now, you going to the skin, don't want to talk to somebody with a switchblade. They never can be.
Hey, BB, you know, believe this. I'm going to call your brother Machete. Cat Biggest Fireball, I'm ported in the state of Maine, right? Hey, BB, I'm pointed at you in the state of Maine, and Fireball made it rough. You was on top now. You was on top, but that Cat Biggest Fireball called me while you was keyed up. Take care, BB, state of Maine, on the real northeast corner. Yeah, hello to you, 35 miles, Switchblade, getting down.
Mighty fine, man. You said Fireball's up in there. Mighty fine. You said Fireball's up in there, man. Tell him I said good morning time. Tell that duck plucker I said good morning time from the northeast corner. Switchblade, Switchblade. I'm pulling back. Bye.
Well, you get cut off every time.
Yep, he in there. I get both of y'all. You on top, BB. I'm looking at you. Man, that guy. Now, I can be pointed at him. I can be pointed across his 35 miles. And everybody killed me going to him. Everybody killed me going to him. I'm looking in the state of Maine, and that guy I got it in his radio. I don't know. Take care, BB. Take care, Fireball. Switchblade in the state of Maine. Get down.
Photon, he's got the salty balls going. He's got that 35 miles of salty balls in front of him. Hey, he's got that 35 miles of salty balls in front of him. Bye.
From California, from the northeast corner to the southwest corner. Take care.
He's got that 35 miles of salty balls in front of him. I'll see you. Bye.
Wait for him to get off the mic. Wait for him to get off the mic. From Spain to Maine. Spain to Maine? Yeah, you coming out of Maine. Fireball got his balls stuck in the South Sea.
Hey, BB,
That's what I think of things, salted dog. But I ain't never heard of no salted balls. You say he got his balls stuck in the sea.
That's right. He's got 35 miles of salty balls in front of him, man. Dangling off his chin. He's got 35 miles of salty balls dangling off his chin. Hey, worldwide, Switchblade, Switchblade. BB pulling back. Tell him I said good morning time. Bye.
Talking to BD and me.
21 transistors. Hey, Switchblade, Switchblade. 21 transistors pulling back. Bye.
They gonna keep your butt busy. Yeah, BB, I heard you both times when you keyed up, but how about making a run for you while I'm looking at you? Man, somebody, I got a helmet now. Yeah, I ain't even pumped up, but I don't pump up. I'll do something right maybe next year, if it's necessary. But hell, if it ain't necessary, I'm gonna sit here and talk on Channel 6 off nothing but killers and bits. Take care, BB. Take care, Fireball, Switchblade, Northeast corner, getting down.
Photon, I ain't got no salt in front of me looking at you. I ain't got no salty balls in front of me looking at you. Nothing but clean land looking from me to you. Tell Fireball I said good morning time. BB pulling back on my 21 transistors in the real Northeast corner. Bye.
I know you can stop by and say how to do. BB or water pipe on the mail.
When you do it like that, you know I'm gonna. A water pipe. You know when you do it like that, you know I'm gonna. Hello, good morning time to you. Water pipe, BB and Maine, right back breaker.
Ain't nobody that gonna BB wrong, Maine. Ain't nobody that gonna BB wrong. Hey, now, BB, you know damn well if you don't hear me, that mean I didn't key. BB, listen to me. I'm not trying to bust no water pipe. I'm not trying. Hey, BB, I'm going to Channel 18. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to Channel 18. Take care, BB. On Fireball talking 123 in Illinois. Take care. Worldwide BB in the state of Maine. Switchblade going to Channel 18. That's my home channel. Bye-bye.
Photon, you said if you didn't hear me, you know I didn't key. Switchblade, that's what you said, man. Hey, Switchblade, you said if I didn't hear you, then I know you didn't key. And you said Fireball's talking to Danny over there. No doubt about it. You got my radio tore up from the floor up. Switchblade, Switchblade. Have a great day. Enjoy that west side, because I'm sure there'll be Mother Nature will be doing a flipsy. Pleasure with a double measure. Blade, Switchblade, BB up north. Pull them back. Have a great day.
Copy. BB, state of Maine. Amazing place around your place, my brother. I'm going to get on out of here before water pipe pump that thing up and hit me in the head with his pipe. BB, tell water pipe and say have a good day. And Switchblade going to go out west. That's why I talk the best anyway. BB around the state of Maine, Switchblade, getting down.
Photon, well, you're going to turn around, look out to the west. You said good morning time to water pipe there, Switchblade. You said you don't want to get hit upside the head with no water pipe. But you are waving that friendly 5 over the water pipe. You said good morning time, Switchblade. While you're turning the beam around, you're going to Channel 19. Switchblade, Switchblade. BB in the real Northeast corner paying attention. I'll see you.
Copy. Take care, BB, state of Maine. Switchblade is black out.
Yeah, man. 420, Mississippi, say morning and moment.
Good morning, time 42-0. Good morning, time 42-0. Hey, Switchblade, tell Fireball not to forget his SSI interview today. I think he's got one of them SSI interviews. Bye.
Let me get on back out of here, because, BB, I'm going to say good morning. Yeah, man, and, good in the southwest Mississippi. BB, 420, walking these banks of the main back out.
All right, 420. Have a great day, man. Appreciate the contact. Looking good, sounding good up here. Hey, 420. The Muddy Banks, BB in Maine, says have a good day.
said 420 in California, around Pasadena, California, Switchblade, good morning. Hey, BB, tell my good friend 420 around Pasadena, California, Switchblade, good morning, friendly fire. I got thin skin, so I ain't trying to get in. Take care, buddy. The BB is State of Maine. Switchblade is getting down.
Got it all. You wanna roll a 5, say good morning over there, 420 there, Switchblade. You wanna wave a hand to 420, keeping it alive. Let me pull this thing on back. Switchblade. Switchblade. BB saw you. Bye. Click! Photon, he's waving right back. Switchblade, he's waving right back. I heard Fireball up in there a little bit. He's waving right back, kept it alive. Let me slide to the side, see what's going on the band. You know it is in this real northeast corner. Paying attention. Bye.
Copy. I'm getting ready to swing out west. Tell them guys I'm getting ready to swing out west. Tell Fireball. You said Fireball come up to your radio? Well, I'm losing condition with you, but that's okay, though. Because I'm going out west where I can talk to you. Take care, BB still. Hello to your audio talker. Hello to your audio talker. Switchblade, Switchblade, one fleet going out west. Bye.